Elephant seals are massive marine mammals known for their large size and distinctive trunk-like proboscis. They are excellent divers, spending most of their lives at sea and coming ashore only for breeding and molting. Meerkats are small, highly social mammals native to the arid regions of southern Africa. They live in tight-knit groups called mobs and are known for their cooperative behavior, standing on their hind legs to watch for predators and forage for food. Zebras are striped herbivores native to Africa, known for their distinctive black and white stripes, which provide camouflage and may help deter biting flies. They live in herds and are closely related to horses and donkeys. The Arabian oryx, a desert-dwelling antelope, is known for its striking white coat and long, straight horns. Once endangered, conservation efforts have successfully increased their numbers in the wild. Gulls are seabirds commonly found along coastlines and near bodies of water worldwide. They have distinctive white plumage, strong beaks, and are known for their scavenging behavior. Pond frogs are amphibians that inhabit freshwater ponds, lakes, and wetlands. They have webbed feet and are known for their croaking calls during the breeding season. The Bactrian camel is a large, two-humped camel species native to the steppes of Central Asia. They are well adapted to harsh desert climates, serving as valuable pack animals and sources of milk and meat for local communities. Baby chicks, also known as chicks or chicklings, are the juvenile offspring of domestic chickens. They are small, fluffy, and vulnerable, requiring warmth, care, and proper nutrition to grow into healthy adult chickens. Cats are domesticated carnivorous mammals known for their agility, independent nature, and strong hunting instincts. They are popular pets worldwide and come in various breeds and colors. Tigers are the largest big cats in the world, known for their striking orange fur with dark stripes and powerful hunting abilities. They are endangered due to habitat loss and illegal wildlife trade. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you for watching.